Imagination is more important than knowledge. The true sign of intelligence is not knowledge, but imagination. Imagination is everything. It is the preview of life's coming attractions. There is perhaps no stronger trait that one could have than that of a strong imagination. Imagination is everything, because without it, we cannot create anything new. Imagination is the preview of life's coming attractions, because without it, we are guaranteed to repeat the same patterns, make the same mistakes, and live the same life over and over again. With it, there are no limits. There's no limit to what we could attempt, no limit to how high we could soar, how big we could dream. Sure, our dreams might end in the dust, but what if they don't? Would you rather live having tried to reach the life you want, or die with regret? We need to let go of our need to fit into this small box society placed us in. And we must imagine the life we really want. Then, when we are certain what that life is, we have to go for it. We only get one shot at this miracle of human life. Live it fully and exactly how you want. Sure, we all have dreams. The problem is, most people stuff their dreams in the closet when things get hard. When life presents challenges, most people turn to what they know. They turn to what is easy. But the easy road and the known will never lead you to your dreams.